Hello beauty queens, and yes, I am back with another video. This video will be a very quick video on my beauty room and also my filming setup. So I've already recorded that today before I left, but I did notice that I didn't do like an intro, so excuse the fact that I don't have any makeup on. But I just want to come to you guys and just kind of tell you, because sometimes I could be a bit much, like I could talk a little bit fast and I can be so anxious to get to the point, and I may skip over some things. If I did skip over something that you want to know, don't hesitate to comment below and I'll be sure to answer you as soon as I can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be showing you guys my setup, like how it is me looking at you guys this way, like my camera situation and what type of lighting I use. It has changed a lot since before, like when I used to use like the umbrella lights and all kinds of other stuff, and like what am I using for my monitor, or do I even use a monitor? And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please if you wanted something in detail, or you want me guys, if you guys want me to go in detail about like my makeup collection itself, let me know below. It's not like it used to be. I am to the point to where, and this is one thing I kind of explained in the video, but I didn't go into detail, and I just want to say this while I'm thinking about it, because like I say, my mind is always all over the place. I used to be so quick to go and buy this thing, because I used to watch so many YouTube videos, and I thought that I had, oh, I need to go get that, or I need to go get that. But now I noticed that that's not me. Like having the bookshelf with the shoes behind me, that's not me. Having stuff out, you're not gonna see a whole lot of stuff just out. I'm a very minimum person. I do not like clutter anymore. I've never been a fan of clutter, but I used to always see it on YouTube videos, and I thought that I needed to have it. So I guess you could say I thought I needed that YouTube starter kit, but it was driving me crazy. I can't stand a whole lot of things being out on display. I like for everything to have a place, and I like it to be in its place. So that's a brief little summary about me. So I don't collect a whole lot of makeup. I don't buy a new palette just because Anastasia puts out a new palette, which I love Anastasia, but I just don't get use out of the makeup that I already have. As you can see on a normal basis, this is me. This is what I look like. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Hey, Mommy. I got a little person calling me. Can I come? Yes, babe. Come on. Yes, baby. So we're gonna tell everybody, showing everybody mommy's beauty room, and that's it. If you guys, like I said, if y'all have any questions, yes baby. Mommy, Mom can take this video? Yes. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. If you want to see something in detail, Mommy, also comment below. Take this video, go ahead. And also give us a big thumbs up down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Big kisses, babe. See y'all later. Well, continue to watch the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye bye. We'll see you later. See you at the video. All right guys, so here is my setup when I get ready to film. I hope that light is not doing too much damage. So my camera sits right here, and I do plug in. Let me turn this light off for a sec, but you guys know the light is on. So my camera sits right here. Of course, I have my light on. This is my vanity area, and this is my computer, and I do have a cord that runs to my computer, and I use that. I'm gonna turn this lamp on to just give us a little better view. But yeah, this is pretty much my setup. I use only this ring light now. All the other stuff that I used to use is in this closet that's inside of my beauty room. So I just keep it simple and just use this ring light. It's a newer ring light. I think I got it off of Amazon. I know I got it off of Amazon with this filter around it, kind of filter out the light. So you guys know I have a Canon camera, and when I turn my camera on, automatically my EOS for Canon that you do have to download, and I do have a video on that. So once the camera cuts on, this automatically usually just pops up so I don't know why not, but I use the EOS, and I basically use this as my viewfinder, and I also use this in order to know how to set everything. So I'm going to go over to camera setting, and I'm recording this off of my phone, so bear with me. Live view, shoot. Okay, so I have these side by side, and ignore me because I'm headed to the gym. So I'm about to go, I'm not headed to the gym. I'm headed outside to go work out. So I'm gonna turn this light on so you guys can kind of see what I would normally see. So there I am there, and I just of course use this over here to kind of control how you guys will be able to see me. And I can look at myself there, and I know inside of the box. Now I think this is for like if you have multiple angles, like if I'm moving a lot, showing a lot of product. So yeah, this is pretty much all I used. And I hit record here to record right there, and then hopefully you guys can see that. So I hit record here to when I want to record. Then I go over here when I want to, like if I just want to take a picture, I'll click that. This is where I control all of my camera settings. I can see the brightness and all that. Then here controls the picture as well. And this is all I use to record with. So this is my whole setup. So as you can see, this is my desk / combo vanity area. I sit my camera and ring light right there in front of me, and I have all my makeup and all my products reachable for me. So yeah, so on with the beauty room tour. All right guys, so this will be my beauty room tour. This is where I'm coming from the hallway into my room. This ring light is not normally there, but I'm using that ring light in order to light the room up so you guys can get a good view of it. So this is my door that I just came out of, and we're going to start. That's another door that leads to a room. So my beauty room is dead smack in the middle of our house. So first things first, you come and I have like an old TV stand right here. I've had this for years. I think it came from Walmart, and all I keep on here is basically like my wigs, my perfume, the little bit of jewelry that I do have. I keep all of that right there. Okay, so let me try to light that up a little bit. So yeah, this is all of my I use like my dyeing stuff right here, and this little white bin at the very bottom, that's all my empties and my back to max stuff. Right here I have my Kendra's Boutique curling wand, and here is like a little bag that I use when I have to mail out orders. This little bag I use is like when I have to go somewhere with my daughter and I want to kind of be hands-free without my big bag. And of course my perfumes, lotions, and things like that. And my wigs. I do have some more wigs kind of stored away in here in like Ziploc bags, but these are like the wigs that I use on a common basis, so they could just be out and just ready to go. Here in this little bin right here, I have all of my like wig essentials that I use to make my wigs with there. And on top, I just had these out for my daughter's hair, so that's why they're not put away. Let's start over here. Here I'm trying to declutter. Like, I don't like a whole lot of clutter. So I was thinking about putting like a little couch or a little sitting something over here, but like all those lights and umbrella lights and backgrounds that you guys used to see that I used to have, I completely got rid of that. I'm just into the more just simple minimum look. And if you guys see the wrinkles in my curtains, I just washed them and I did not steam them out yet. Over here I have one of my good friends got me this box here where I keep all my extra like hot tools and some like miscellaneous things there. Over here I have my wig heads. As you guys know, I do make wigs, so I have to keep every size wig head, and I think I have some more in that bin over there. Right here is just our little filing cabinet, nothing major in there, just personal stuff. Over here is like a closet for this room. We don't use this, well, we use it for my beauty room. So the only thing we use this closet for is like storage. We do have a storage building outside the house, but I try to keep things in here as much as possible so we're not ripping and running back and forth. So we do keep a lot of storage in this closet. This house is older, so we don't have like we have quite a bit of storage, don't get me wrong, but we don't have like the traditional like linen closet and all that kind of stuff, which we keep in my daughter's room. But eventually, as she get older, we'll probably try to find a place in here for that kind of stuff. But for the most part, I'm pretty much a minimum person. I don't like a whole lot of stuff like I used to, so I try to keep as little as possible. I'm not, as you can see, I don't have many pictures. I have tons of pictures sitting right here in between this floor. Oh, I used to use this table too for like filming. Like if I wanted to film and I wanted this to be my background, I would use that table to kind of, you know, place my stuff on. So that table comes in handy quite a bit. I had that table for my son originally, but he has a desk now, so I kind of use that little portable table. But you guys notice I don't have a whole lot on the walls. I don't like a whole lot. I just don't like clutter. So like here I had a whole lot of stuff in these bins and filled up. I got rid of all that stuff I'm not using. I'm sure I can go back through this stuff and get rid of some more stuff, as well as in my filing cabinet. But moving on, this is the desk portion of my room here, and this is just kind of what it is. It's my desk. I honestly use this computer for surfing the web when I do, and pretty much editing my videos, and I use it as a viewfinder. I do kind of keep some like pens and stuff in here, but my daughter has kind of went through those and picked through those, and the Lord's Prayer. And this little bouquet, my mom made this for me. My husband and I got married, very small wedding, and this was my mom just wanted me to have something in my hand so I wouldn't be, you know, fiddling with my hand and all that. So I just kind of keep those right there. And this little flower here is my husband gave me this. This little bitty thing was like 20 bucks. He was in a wedding and they have these little things clipped on. So he just kind of gave us that, and I kind of just keep it clipped right there. So that's that. And then if we move over here, you see my whole beauty room set up here, and this is kind of where I sit down. Honestly, I don't wear makeup often, so the most I do is like moisturizer, but you can see I have all my makeup here, and I've kind of narrowed everything down so that way I don't have much. I just don't see it necessary to have a whole lot of stuff. So that's that there. So yeah. Of course, this is my sewing machine. I've been using my sewing machine to make my wigs. I don't make them by hand anymore. So this is my sewing machine, and she kind of just sits right there, which usually I'll kind of tuck her away under here because I have so much space and I don't use that. So I usually just kind of tuck her under there. And then here I have a natural daylight bulb in my lamp that I kind of use, which is very bright. Of course, my vanity mirror. I do one of those big fancy vanity mirrors, but I don't know if you guys know this, but I am a budgeter. I'm kind of tight. I don't like cheap things, so I don't like to say I'm cheap. I'm a budgeter, so I just have not bought one. And of course, this desk was meant for like a desk, so this kind of rolls out. I don't keep really anything there. You guys, I love having, look at this dust, and we just dust the house, but I don't like a lot of stuff, and I don't like to keep a lot of stuff like I used to. Over here on this side, I just kind of keep some I think all this kind of stuff is like skincare and stuff, and like backup stuff. My daughter looks like she's been playing in all this stuff, but backup like lashes. It's so much in these drawers that I don't use, and the reason why I stopped buying a lot of makeup is because I wasn't using the stuff that I already had. So it's like my stash jar. And then here's like some backup like bags when I used to get Ipsies, because I do use these bags to like kind of organize my stuff, like some skincare stuff, my backup moisturizer, all that kind of stuff. If you guys want to detail like what I have, you can ask me that. Over here I keep my eyeshadow palettes, of course, and then in this thing all my lip products, which I have decluttered to the point to where I have a drawer that's empty. Some like kind of little everyday stuff that I keep right here, chapstick, tweezers, stuff like that. Oh, and right here I forgot to tell you guys, this is like, I had a piece of glass cut so I could be able to put things under here. Of course, here's my little budget Bible that I created this past year. And just little cards, little things people have written to me. I kind of stick right here so I can kind of look at it and have something to smile at. Right here I have some dirty makeup brushes and a bin, some little stuff that I'm using for my hair while I'm on this hair journey for my edges. That's that stuff. It's just some little hair products right here that I have handy, like that's handy. And then right here I just have some excessive like hair products down there. I hope my camera hasn't been blurry all this time, but yeah, that's just some hair products there that I have. Just stuff probably I don't need. And then back over here is where all I keep my wigs, and of course my phone right there. I use that little charging port right here. But yeah, this is pretty much my beauty room. Not a whole lot. I've decluttered a lot over time, and it's because I realized that I just don't like stuff. Like, I would be so influenced by the people on YouTube, and I was so anxious to go out and buy stuff to where this is it. I love her. I have this nice little window here, I have the blinds up. This is just an overview of her. This is my little space that I love. That's the current bag that I'm carrying right now. I just switched her out. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is my space. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, or if you want to see something in depth like my essentials for wig making or whatever, of course in this video we're going to include like my setup, which was the thing that kind of prompted this video. I forgot to tell you guys, this is my stand as well, and how I use, and I use my old backdrops as like, instead of using a towel, so like if I want to take pictures it looks a little bit better. So that's what you see right there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment below on what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Big kisses, guys. Bye, beauty queens.